Set up 9-9 pass and everything was to make a step on the men's figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People ask.
Welcome guys, Creambath back again with another reaction video. To check out Cardell World War 3. This is, I think, Wally cousin, brother, I think. This is a diss track tune to Stormzy. I forgot what Stormzy song is called, but we're gonna check out this and see what's going on. Begin now.
Enough of the mischief, claim to be hot in me, you never did shit. I show no emotion, you're only saying my name for promotion. And if you both make friends right now, you'll still be the one that got dosing. How you gonna be disappointed, just phone him. I'm the reason you roll with 18 man to a show, king of the industry plants and nobody wants your crown. Should've said suck your mum, but then you might suck your mum and go upside down. Knew it was fake, but suck your mum anyway. Don't care if anyone cuss your mum anyway. See me in the flesh and I up my gun anyway. You just run your gums, didn't wanna say none. Enough of your son anyway, mum. Why you never tell your son stop lying? Wouldn't even ride for your brethren dying. Thinks that he's got one ahead, alright. Just wanted to see you and your brethren fight back, man. Put who in a Rizzler? That don't care where your mum and her wigs are. Didn't really take it there, but I'm nasty. Now I'm letting off at your sister. She looks like she's ready for a wrestling match. Be surprised if anyone dicked her. I'd be surprised if they ain't looking at you and your friends at family mix.
So someone said Stormzy sister probably look like a man then, because he said she look like she ready for a wrestling match. That means that she probably built thick. I mean, I'd be surprised if a man dick her, you see me, like put on weight on her, put on some, you see me? So I don't know how Stormzy's sister look, but I know him a style right here, so you see me?
How you gonna lie about G-Check? Anything to get mob ties, I'm sick of these niggas. Don't know how I'm wrong or deserve it. Someone explain, I'll flip it these niggas. Right now Michael's getting what's coming to him. I heard that Jammer got something from him, but if Michael swears on Abigail's life that he hotted me up, God's bugging on him, cause he knows you make money off him. And you were not hard, just trying to blend in. I walked out, you was there trying to smoke. You told you try me and you won't go home. You just said you
I'll tell the truth in a minute.
told your boy to lower his
I don't know how the UK's like music industry set up, like who's really hard, who's just talking, who is just lip service, you see me? So you have to just listen to what I go on still and listen to the audience, like whoever know them fully can push right some life on it, you see me?
Why do you tell MC Storm? Make the next one interesting for me. Speak on me, but that man rap poorly. I'm his dad, someone thumping for me. I'm not you, the label care. If not, they don't know your face is there. In pop, you might have the status. It's not the one for mum's faking hair. Welcome to East, where your girl turns a freak. And you ain't got a pull round there. If she hides from you, then she cool round there. And you ain't gonna lay down rules right there. So war with me, you best look R&B instead of telling lies on me. Cause I know you, and better yet, I know me. And I can never hide from beef. Stormzy, suck your mum, you don't crash. G-Tech crew was begging it shush. He just had Georgia Smith in his face. Now
Finally call him name.
You love your mum so much, then swear on a life that you weren't saying that it won't be. If I hear any more lies on Randas, you'll get a Randas kicking your teeth. And I heard that there was a crash at Randas, but the crash at Randas weren't me. They believe anything they hear on machines. That's why I don't really care about memes. Everyone's talking shit on the 5th. Gonna be friendly by the 14th. Heard that they chat about me on the 14th, but they can never test this corner. Just on a DNA test on Big Mike again. Check I'm the MC's father. And I'm gonna send for your mum, don't remember your mum. We can do remembering after. Last time I sent for you, man, could've ended your mum. The people that dressed them bastard.
Really?
No, bro. And in the O2, your friends did nada. That's right. Flip, stay flip. Your chick done a dick and blamed you and left in drama. I mean, grind didn't work. You floated to gospel praying. I don't get you after.
Oh shit! The man said Graham don't work. He fell into gospel. You remember that gospel song that time the thing? How it go again? Ah, fuck. It was a gospel song, bro. But it was really good though. Probably that's him he's talking about right here. If Graham don't work, but they fell into gospel. Into gospel. Praying, I think it's called praying.
So how could you hate your father? Yo, Stormzy, nobody's scared of you. Don't wanna be like or scared of you. People learn to make grime like us. People learn to be weird like you. And in my point of view, I never really saw the point of view. Like novelists, fair enough, that was worth it. But I can never hear jets of you. And I always knew I was better than you. Rap crud, done crud better than you. Dubs, done does better than you. Your mum, and she spits better than you. Your man, you ain't as hard as me or brave or got the same heart as me. I know many man that Clark admire, but none of them can give Clark like me. And if you really want to smoke from me, ask a few.
Alright, at first, maybe I listen to the song not that bad. They're not bad still, isn't it? But one thing though, the video, the zoom in thing kinda should have really done that video. It kinda affect me a little bit, isn't it? Like that zoom in too much. That's the only thing I'm find. But the song alright still. You see me? The part where I'm saying about the grime and the prayer, that make a lot of sense because Stormzy actually sing a song called Prayer. So if he left from grime and go to gospel, sing a song called Prayer, that's crazy. But anyway guys, this is the end of the reaction video. I think Stormzy sing a song for this retaliation. I don't remember anymore, but I have to find it and then I'll probably do it. So peace.